2015 Leaving Cert Higher Level Paper 2 question 5 starts with one of these trig identities. And there's always a few ways to do them, but I think the most obvious way to do this one with tan is equal to sine over cos. So tan A plus B is equal to sine A plus B over cos A plus B. And if we go to the tables or the formulae booklet and get what sine A plus B is, it's going to be sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And cos A plus B is going to be cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. And that's where this minus sign is going to come in. Now, once you get to this step, you should see the rest of the solution. We have to get a 1 in this position here. So how would I change cos A cos B into 1? I would divide it by cos A cos B. So I'm going to divide every term by cos A cos B to not change the value of this equation. So on top, I'm going to get sine A cos B. And you'll quickly see what's happening here over cos A cos B. So you can see those cos B's are going to cancel. Then I'm going to have plus cos A sine B over cos A cos B. The cos A's will cancel. Then I'm going to have my 1 in this position, but I'll write it like this. I'll write cos A cos B first over cos A cos B. That's my 1. Then I have a minus sine A sine B over cos A cos B, and you can see that's where the tan A tan B is going to come from. So simplifying it down, I can cancel my cos A cos B's, so I'm going to get sine A over cos A. And if you want to just put in one extra step, you could just write sine A over cos A plus sine B over cos B. You could just jump straight to the solution in this line over. Now I'm going to make this just a 1 because they're going to cancel top and bottom to give me 1 over 1. Minus, and we're going to have tan A, tan B, sine A over cos A, tan A, sine B over cos B, tan B. So just to finish it off, that's equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A, tan B. Just check you're right. Tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B, Q, E, D. Second part of this question, because part A was so easy, was another easy part, just a trig equation. Sine 3x is equal to root 3 over 2 here. So if you've gotten to this point of leaving cert and you don't know that sine 30 is equal to a half and sine 60 is equal to root 3 over 2, you need to go and learn a couple of these ratios in the tables, because now it just makes these questions so simple. When you see them, you're doing a merry jig. So then we can say that sine 3x is equal to 60 degrees, or 3x is equal to 60 degrees, but what other angle, what other reference angle do I need to take from my unit circle knowledge? CA, sine is positive in here, and tan will be in here. So if I draw another 60 degree angle, what's my actual angle? This colored in blue one is 120. You can see 180 minus 60. So 3x is equal to 60 degrees, 120 degrees. Now I have to get all my solutions between 0 and 360. We can see here I'm going to be dividing them by, I want to get x, so I'm going to get x to be 20, 40. So it's going to be a good few more solutions. So I'll just write them underneath now. I'm going to add 360 onto both of these. So I'm going to get 420, 60 and 360. I'm going to get 120 and 360, which is 480. This is 3x. We'll probably need a couple more. X is going to be 140, or what is it going to be, 160. If I add 360 onto both of these, or 720 onto 60, I'm going to get 780 and 840. I think that'll bring me up to my final solutions. So 780 divided by 3 is 260. I have left all my degree symbols out. 280. So I'm just going to put them in here real quick for my solutions. Keep good maths. with the degree symbol. So they're all my solutions. I have these 4 and these 2. Nice easy question when you know these reference angles with trig equations.